Here I've got OUKITEL WP2 and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So actually you can do it in 3 ways. Let's start with the first one. Smoothly tap on power key and hold it for a while and then select airplane mode. And this is it. You've just activated airplane mode and you can switch it off the same way smoothly by tapping on power key and then selecting airplane mode. And now it's off. Then you can also activate it through the upper bar. Simply slide it down, locate airplane mode and click on it. And that would be all. Now it's on, and then to switch it off, tap on airplane mode one more time. And the third and last method is opening the settings at first and then go to network and internet. Here pick airplane mode, tap on the switcher, and that's it. You've just activated airplane mode. And to switch off flight mode, tap on the same icon one more time. And that would be all. This is how you can activate airplane mode in your OUKITEL. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.